Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Top contemporary bookshelf ideas encompass the latest trends in designing functional and stylish storage solutions for your home. These ideas reflect the evolving demands of modern living, combining form and functionality in unique ways. Contemporary bookshelves often feature clean lines, minimalistic designs, and innovative materials, providing a sleek and uncultured appearance. Their versatility allows them to seamlessly integrate into various interior design themes, from industrial chic to Scandinavian simplicity. One striking trend is the use of asymmetrical and geometric shape, which is not only house your books but also serve as captivating focal points in your living spaces. Floating or wall-mounted bookshelves creating an illusion of space, making them ideal for smaller rooms. The incorporation of natural elements like wood and metal infuses warmth and character into these designs, while the use of vibrant colors or mixture materials can make bookshelves stand out as artistic elements within your decor. Additionally, many contemporary bookshelves are designed with modular units providing flexibility in arrangement, allowing you to adapt the shelf to your specific needs. With these innovative ideas, your bookshelf becomes not only a functional storage space but also a creative expression of your personal style and appreciation for modern design. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.